Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria and I am back with a quick video on how I got these really cute faux locks over quarantine. I've been really loving protective styling over quarantine, and so I just thought I would share how I did these faux locks because I got a lot of great reviews. So here we go. I started with freshly washed hair, but it was air dried, and then I used the edge booster to make a 3-strand braid, which I then divide into two and do a 2-strand twist. So you can see me here making the 3-strand braid about 1 inch, maybe 2 inches just from the root, and then going in with my melanin twist elongating style cream just to give it some moisture, because you want to make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized underneath the faux lock. So after I plait the roots about 1 inch, then I divide the hair and then I 2-strand twist the rest of the hair. And so I just do that all around my head until I have 2-strand twists all around my head. And you can make these as thick as you want. It just depends, you know, how much hair you want to put on your head. I wasn't really sure how thick this would all come out, but I was happy with how full the hair ended up being. But you can make your pots as big or as small as you want. And then I go in with my Melanin Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend, which is perfect because you, again, like I said, you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, but you also want to make sure that your scalp, is moisturized. And this just locks in that moisture, and it just eases the strain on the scalp. It reduces itching and reduces dryness. So I go in line by line, and I love this multi-use pure oil blend because the applicator makes it so easy to get right in into the scalp and evenly distribute that oil. So I highly recommend these products. It's also very light, and I believe you can use it on your skin as well as your nails as well. In general, I think the Melanin hair care brand is amazing and I really recommend it. So here you can see I'd already started installing the faux locks. These faux locks I just got off of Amazon. I don't even remember the brand. I just, Googled faux locks and got them on Amazon. So, you can use whatever brand you like, but these are the ones that I was using. They're in the color 1B, if I remember correctly. And so these are crochet faux locks. But so what I did was I used the crochet to slip it through at the root of my hair, and then I pull the faux lock through, also pull it through the little loop that's at the end of the faux lock. And then I tighten it, not too tight because you are going to twist some more, but I do tighten it a little bit at the root. Once I've done that, I then unravel the faux lock against the direction in which it curls, and at the same time, I'm also wrapping the faux lock around my own hair, my 2-strand twist out, to hide the 2-strand twist out within the faux lock. And this takes some practice. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling here, but take your time. Once you get the hang of it, it does get easier. you can see I'm kind of going again. So like I said, unravel the faux lock at the root, starting at the root. And as you unravel the faux lock against the direction in which it curls, you wrap it around your own hair. So the 2-strand twist that you've made. Once that's done, you want to again twist the hair as tight as you feel is comfortable, and then just use the praying hands method just to rub the hair in place and to make sure that your own hair is completely covered. And that's it. That's how you install the faux lock. And I like this method because these are singles as opposed to where you cornrow and crochet, and this allows you to part your hair however you want. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do this all across my head, and I will be back to show you the final look. here is my hair fully done. I also just put some edge control just to make it more neat and to clean up the look. And then I added some jewelry and some string, and I loved this style. I wore this during the summer right in the middle of the lockdown period, and I just loved it. It was so fun and it was so easy, and I got so many compliments. So if you guys like this, subscribe, remember to comment, like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.